In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in MT5. Before we start, it's important to understand one key point. MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform, not a wallet or a bank. Your money never sits inside MT5 itself. All deposits are handled by your broker and then reflected in your MT5 account. Here's how to do it smoothly. First, sign in to your broker's client portal. This could be their website or their mobile app, depending on what your broker provides. Make sure you're on the official site, your connection is secure, and you're using the correct login for your live trading profile. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Deposit or Add Funds. From there, select the specific MT5 account you want to fund. Many traders have multiple accounts, sometimes in different currencies or with different settings, so double-check the account number to avoid funding the wrong one. Next, choose your payment method. Common options include credit or debit cards for near-instant funding, bank transfers for larger amounts, e-wallets if supported by your region, and sometimes local payment methods. Each method can have different processing times, limits, and potential fees, so review the details before you proceed. Some brokers also require that the deposit comes from an account in your own name, which helps with compliance and future withdrawals. Enter the amount you want to deposit and complete any required fields. Pay attention to the account currency, minimum or maximum deposit limits, and any conversion fees if you're depositing in a different currency. When you confirm the payment, you may need to pass an extra verification step, like a one-time code from your bank or a 3D secure prompt. Follow those instructions carefully. If this is your first deposit, your broker may ask you to verify your identity. Submitting clear documents in advance can speed things up. After you confirm the payment, funds might appear instantly, or they could take a few hours to a couple of business days depending on the method. You can check your balance in your broker portal or in MT5 by logging into the correct live account and refreshing the connection. A few final reminders. Always deposit to a live account, not a demo. Review your broker's fee schedule and funding policy, and remember that withdrawals often need to go back through the original deposit method. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Avoid public Wi-Fi, and keep a record of your transaction reference in case you need support. That's it. You're now ready to fund your MT5 account correctly through your broker and start trading with confidence.